Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Gumroad account. First, head over to the Gumroad website and click on the Start Selling button. You can easily create an account using your email address or by linking an existing social media profile like Google or Facebook. After signing up, remember to check your email inbox for a verification link. Clicking this link is crucial to activate your account and gain full access to your new creator dashboard. It's a straightforward process to get you started. Once your account is active, it's time to create your first product. From your Gumroad dashboard, simply click on the Products tab and then select New Product. You'll be prompted to choose the type of item you're selling, whether it's a digital download, a physical product, a course, or even a membership. Next, provide a compelling title and a detailed description, then upload all the necessary files for your offering. This step brings your creative vision to life. To start earning, you'll need to set up your payment information. Go to your settings and then find the Payments section. Here, you can securely connect your preferred payout method, whether it's a PayPal account or direct bank transfer, ensuring you receive your earnings smoothly. Gumroad offers flexible pricing options. You can set a fixed price, allow customers to pay what they want, or even offer your product for free with an optional tip. This flexibility empowers your selling strategy. Finally, make your Gumroad profile truly yours. Head to your settings to personalize your page with an engaging bio, a professional profile picture, and a memorable username. For a more branded experience, you can even connect a custom domain to your storefront. Once everything looks perfect and your product details are complete, hit the Publish button. Your product will then be live and ready for customers around the globe to discover and purchase. Congratulations, you're now selling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.